Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox quiet book, an easy guide. First, gather your supplies, which are essential for starting this fun project. You will need about 7 to 10 sheets of colorful felt, with each sheet measuring at least 9 by 12 inches. Grab some fabric glue, a pair of sharp scissors, and an assortment of small embellishments like buttons or beads. These materials form the foundation for your interactive quiet book pages. Ensure everything is within reach to begin your creative journey smoothly. Now, let's design your captivating Roblox pages. Choose a favorite game or character for each spread, like creating a mini jailbreak scene or a Bloxburg house. Sketch your ideas lightly on a piece of paper, planning where interactive pieces will go. Cut out the felt shapes for your chosen characters, such as a smiling noob or a cool avatar, ensuring they fit well on your 9 by 12-inch felt background. This planning step makes the entire crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, it's time to bring your pages to life with interactive elements. Securely glue down your main background pieces, like a green grassy field or a blue sky, onto the base felt. Then, attach smaller details such as trees or clouds, ensuring they are firm. For interactive fun, use small pieces of hook and loop fasteners on your characters so they can be moved around the scene. Consider adding a small felt pocket to hold tiny items, making the page engaging for little hands. Finally, let's put it all together to create your finished Roblox quiet book. Once all pages are complete and dry, stack them neatly and punch 2 to 3 holes along one edge of each page. Thread a colorful ribbon or use small binder rings through these holes to bind your book securely. Take a moment to check all your glued and stitched parts, ensuring they are robust for lasting play. Your custom Roblox quiet book is now ready for countless hours of imaginative fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.